Hi folks, it's Steve from Foreign Customs. Just trying out doing the voice after the video this time, see if it's any less waffle. We're going to be looking at these M4 paddle shifters. See the wire in there. We're going to be looking at taking those off and putting them onto the carbon fibre ones. Demonstrating here where the release pin is housed. Taking a small screwdriver, just give that a little nudge from the bottom on the left ones and from the top on the right ones. Extract that. It's made of plastic. It's easy to lose, so put it somewhere safe. And then pop the module out. It's hinged, I think, from the side closest to the paddle shifter itself, but it releases quite easily. You can see there. Take the old one away. See inside there's a spring there, and underneath that's a spreader bar. Looking at the equivalent paddle to what it's going on to, make sure you've got them the right way around. You can see the springs are going to go into that area there, and you hook them on and then pop the module into the new paddles. Once you've got them lined up, make sure the holes are lining up. You can have a little look up the top and then drop the pin back in, click it into place, job done. Give it a little test, make sure it's clicking, have a little look, make sure you're flush. You see the holes there, click click, job done, nice. Move on to the next one. So this one is exactly the same. I think the thicker part of the bar is from the other side. So just pop it through with a little screwdriver. Put it somewhere safe. They roll off, they disappear. If you lose that, you're knackered, so don't. Taking the module out, same way as the other one. It hinges on to the side closest to the paddle shifter itself. Separate them off. See inside you've got a little spring that can come off, don't lose it. Again, no problem. Underneath that's a little plastic spreader bar that actually clicks the button on the module to initiate the gear change. That can come off. It just sort of gravity falls in and out, so keep an eye on that, make sure you don't lose that, because again, if you lose that, your paddle's not going to work. Pop it back into place, make sure you're all lined up. There's your pivot point, put the pin back in, and then drop the pin back in. This one, when it went in, didn't quite sit flush, so we had to use the screwdriver just to push it in a little bit. That can happen if it's not quite lined up properly, or if you're putting pressure on with your thumb, which I was. If you let it go and push it in, it should be fine. You shouldn't need tools to do this. This should just be finger tight. You need them to get out, because obviously your fingers aren't 2mm in diameter, are they? So that's them all done, all lined up, ready to go back on the vehicle. Happy days. And there's me having a mess and just randomly moving around for absolutely no reason whatsoever. Beautiful, lovely carbon fibre.